Hi, this is Nick Borelli, and I'm here to tell you how, where, and why you should find, collaborate, and partner with influencers for your event. First, let's start with what an influencer is. It's a very popular buzzword, and I want to be able to make it very simple for you. There are three things influencers must have in order to be influencers: reach, relevance, and resonance. The reach is their ability to connect with as many people as possible. The relevance is how specific the content that they put out there is. And the resonance is the likelihood of people acting upon what they're told by the influencer. Why use influencers? Because people trust people over brands. Brands have oversaturated our minds, and we've become deaf and blind to traditional advertising. Influencers are trusted authorities who are third parties, traffic in social proofs, and have the credibility that brands no longer have. There are different kinds of influencers. The one that most people know are macro influencers, the Kim Kardashians of the world, who are social celebrities with hundreds of thousands and maybe millions of followers. These macro influencers have a lot of reach, but their engagement levels are actually pretty low. What's particularly exciting for live events are micro influencers, who are usually defined as people with over 10,000 followers. These influencers don't have the same reach as macro influencers, but their engagement level is much higher. In addition, micro influencers are much more affordable than macro influencers. Now that you know what influencers are and why you need them, let's try to find out where to find them. There's software specifically designed to find influencers, software like BuzzSumo, TapInfluence, and FameBit. The platform Snowball is made specifically for events, and this is to empower the influencers who are already aligned with your event as it is. You should also do your due diligence with the research. Look them up on LinkedIn, check out hashtags relevant to your industry, read blogs, and use Sprout Social to see who is being shared the most. One of the most powerful tools you have is simply to ask those close to your event. Ask your stakeholders, your sponsors, exhibitors, and survey previous attendees to determine who they would like to see and who they listen to. Before working with an influencer, make sure you pay attention to the way they communicate. Do their values align with your values? Does authenticity ring true no matter what their message is? Is your message aligned with their message? While they may be able to reach lots of people, what matters more is, are they a good fit for you? Don't just use influencers as marketing channels. Keep in mind, influencers are tastemakers. What they like, others like. Your influencers can be a focus group, they can help with wayfinding at the event, and they are representatives of your attendee personas. Involve influencers with the design of your event and turn them into ambassadors. That's the true potential of influencers for live events.